Understanding, from the very start. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have heard, from the very start. This phrase is rich in meaning and used quite frequently in both spoken and written English. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you master it. Stay tuned. From the very start means from the beginning or from the initial point of a process, event, or period. It emphasizes the very beginning of something, suggesting that something has been the case since the earliest point possible. This phrase is often used to highlight the continuity or consistency of a state or action from the outset. This phrase can be used in various contexts, including personal stories, historical events, projects, and more. It's versatile and adds depth to your sentences. Here are a few tips on how to use it. Emphasize duration. Use it when you want to stress how long something has been happening or how someone has felt from the very beginning. Highlight consistency. It's perfect for situations where you want to emphasize that something hasn't changed since it started. Narrative storytelling. Great for adding detail to stories or explanations, showing that the state of affairs has been a certain way since the start. Let's put "from the very start" into action with some examples. 1. She knew from the very start that she wanted to become a doctor. 2. The project faced challenges from the very start. 3. He was part of the team from the very start, contributing significantly to its success. These examples show how the phrase can be used to express initial intentions, early challenges, or continuous involvement. Understanding and using the phrase, "from the very start," can add clarity and depth to your English communication. It's a powerful way to emphasize the beginning of any journey, challenge, or intention. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this phrase effectively in your own English conversations and writings. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.